So hello and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lisa, and I will be representing BioPixel to present to you our solution for problem statement 2, a digital solution for halal managers and halal auditors. So based on the statistics by Berita Harian Online 2020, 65% of the Malaysian population consists of Muslims. However, there are only 4% of available accredited halal SMEs in Malaysia. So with this, we have summarized the issues into 3 points. The first one is the time-consuming halal certification procedure, which could take 5 to 6 months, and in some cases, it could take years. Secondly, currently there is no existing portable solution for doing halal auditing. And thirdly is the short numbers of available halal managers and auditors in Malaysia. To overcome this, we introduce to you CoHalal, a digital solution for halal certification application and portable audit assistance. So CoHalal aims to accelerate and simplify the application of certificate for applicant and SME through automation and centralized platform, and also to accelerate and assist the halal auditing with automation and mobile solution. So how does it work and what are the features? For applicant, they can quickly register for the halal executive course through our web and get instant qualification check and result. They will also be able to check the application status all in one place. For SME, they will be provided with a real-time certificate halal checker and also be notified prior to their certificate expiration, and the system will be able to store the supporting document to reduce repetitive future action. And they will also be able to get a list of the available halal executive near them. For halal auditors, they will be provided with two platforms. The first one is the web system, and second is the mobile app, which acts as a portable auditing tool. And secondly, they can quickly access the auditing checklist through the app and be able to manage the auditing schedule, which can directly connect to the related SME. And the app will have a built-in audit trail of evidence feature and be able to quickly generate a non-conformance report. CoHalal is a centralized platform that connects the applicant, the SME, and halal auditors with the JAKIM and the existing MyEHalal system, along with the recognized foreign halal certificate bodies. So what makes us unique is our certificate halal checker feature that allows user, especially SME, to check for halal certificate in Malaysia and also recognize foreign certificate bodies. The mobile app will allow the halal auditors to instantly generate an NCR report that will directly generate a trigger to the SME for them to take immediate action. And also, the evidence capture will be able to support a 360-degree image which is also embedded with GPS data of the on-site location. For the deployment, the CoHalal will take 12 months for development, and expected release will be on November 2021. The pilot user will be graduates from UMS, Kota Kinabalu food premises, and also we have secured support from a halal consultant company called Initiative Padu. In terms of funding, 80% of the 250K will go into development, and the remainings will go into maintenance, hosting, marketing, and others. So this is our team. We consist of a product expert, software developer, and tech expert, and also a business and operation expert. And here are our key advisors to make this all happen, Mrs. Salma and Mr. Khairil Anwar, who are the subject matter expert in the halal industry with combined experience of 35 years. As Malaysia is positioning to lead the global industry by 2030, there are still underlying issues that needs addressing. And we believe that with the best people and support from the halal industry expert, we can bring Malaysia forward towards a global halal industry standard with CoHalal. And before I end, I would like to invite everyone to get an experience using the CoHalal by scanning through the QR code. That's all from us. Thank you.